Hey tech lovers, April Fool's Day is here, and that means it's time for some harmless mischief. But forget the old whoopee cushion. Today, we're diving into hilarious tech pranks that are super easy to pull off and guaranteed to get a reaction. Whether you want to confuse a friend, prank your coworkers, or just have a laugh at home, these tech tricks will do the job. But here's the problem. Most pranks you find online are either too complicated or just not funny enough. Some require expensive gadgets, while others take way too much effort. And let's be honest, a prank is only as good as the reaction you get. You want confusion, frustration, and lots of laughter, right? So, what if I told you I have 5 simple and ridiculously funny DIY tech pranks that require nothing but a phone, a laptop, or a little creativity? Stick around because prank number 5 is pure evil, but in the best way. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you love tech hacks and funny pranks. Now let's get into it. Prank number 1, the frozen screen trick. This one is so simple yet so effective. Take a screenshot of someone's desktop, set it as their wallpaper, and then hide all their icons. If they have a Mac, you can even go into System Preferences and disable Show Desktop Icons. The result? They'll sit there clicking away, trying to open apps, completely confused about why nothing is working. Bonus points if they restart their computer thinking it's a glitch. Prank number 2, the autocorrect nightmare. This one works best on a friend's or family member's phone. Go into their keyboard settings and add custom text replacements. For example, change yes to no way, I would never, or swap out common words like okay for something ridiculous like banana pancakes. Imagine them trying to have a serious conversation while their texts keep getting hijacked. The frustration is guaranteed gold. Prank number 3, the fake update screen. This one is perfect for your work buddy or sibling. Download a fake system update image and set it to full screen on their laptop. If they leave their desk for a second, sneak over and put the image up, then watch as they come back, thinking their computer is stuck in an endless update loop. Extra fun if they're in the middle of something important. Some people will just sit there waiting, while others might go into full panic mode. Prank number 4, the silent treatment. We all know that one person who constantly checks their phone. Well, here's how to mess with them. Go into their sound settings and change their ringtone to complete silence, but leave vibrate on. Then text them repeatedly and watch as they look at their phone in total confusion, wondering why they're getting notifications, but hearing absolutely nothing. This one is great if they rely on sound for calls or messages. Prank number 5, the mouse won't move trick. Okay, this one is just evil in the funniest way. Grab a small piece of paper or tape and stick it over the sensor on the bottom of someone's mouse. If you want to be extra sneaky, write something funny on the tape like gotcha or April Fools. Then watch as they frantically shake their mouse, unplug it, restart their computer, and maybe even call IT support, only to finally flip the mouse over and realize they've been played. Bonus pranks. Because honestly, who doesn't love more ways to mess with their friends? Prank number 1, the screenshot lock screen. This is another variation of the frozen screen trick, but for phones. Take a screenshot of their home screen, then set it as their lock screen wallpaper. If they don't have Face ID or fingerprint unlock enabled, they'll keep tapping their screen, wondering why none of their apps are responding. Prank number 7, the Bluetooth speaker hijack. If you have access to a Bluetooth speaker your friend uses, pair it with your phone ahead of time. Then, when they least expect it, start playing weird noises, creepy whispers, or funny sound effects. Watching their reaction as they try to figure out why their speaker is possessed is priceless. Prank name, the typing bubble trap. For iPhone users, send someone a GIF of the iMessage typing bubbles, so it looks like you're constantly typing, but never actually sending anything. This will drive them insane, as they sit there waiting for a message that never comes. And there you have it. 8 ridiculously easy, but super funny DIY tech pranks to pull off this April Fool's Day. These are all harmless and guaranteed to get a reaction. So, which one are you trying first? Or do you have your own genius tech prank? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Happy pranking, and I'll see you in the next one.